Please, let's hear it for Bubut.
Hangover from last night. Okay, good morning, everyone. Mabuhay. I'm Bubut Montejo from the Philippines. Okay, so as Carl mentioned, nobody knows me as Aurea Imelda. Everybody calls me Bubut. So that's B-U-B-U-T, as in beauty. So you can always remember, okay? Okay, today we will share our history, our journey, our procurement journey. We are BDO, we find ways. And this is our story. It is a story of our transformation from manual to fully integrated digital platform. More importantly, how we are preparing BDO for the next frontier, agentic AI. Thank you, Charlie Villaseñor and Dino Limhap, for mentoring us, or would I say tormenting us, with the procurement ideas and all of this. That's why we're here. Okay, tormentor. As the largest bank in the Philippines, scale is both our strength and our responsibility. We manage over 87 billion in assets through a network of almost 2,000 branches, more than 7,000 ATMs, and 15 international offices. With this scale, efficient procurement, strong governance, and visibility are critical to support the business. That is why we need to transform. A few years ago, much of our procurement process was still manual and paper-based. Negotiations happened through emails, phone calls, not even mobile phones, and spreadsheets. Most approvals required wet signatures and physical routing of documents, which means logging of the documents. Contracts were stored in multiple locations, making collaboration and visibility difficult. Contract renewals were forgotten and terminations undocumented. Reporting was delayed, limiting our ability for timely decisions. In 2022, we conducted a formal evaluation of Zycus and two other systems. I'm sure you know who they are. Zycus stood out because it was already successfully deployed within the SM group where BDO belongs. It also demonstrated a strong track record with financial institutions across the region. For us, this is not simply a technology decision. It was a decision built on proven trust and demonstrated value. Our vision was simple: one platform covering the entire source-to-pay lifecycle. Today, supplier management, requisition, sourcing, contracting, risk, and invoicing operate on a single platform. This provides a common process, a common audit trail, and a single source of truth across the organization. Rollout was not a one-time, big-time approach, just little bites, as change can be very overwhelming. Phase 1, we had the core procurement and payment capabilities. Phase 2 is our contract management. Oh, how they love the contract management. Our legal were so happy that because of the authoring feature, they were so happy with the system. And all contracts are now in one repository. If you do not upload your contract, your supplier will not get paid. And how funny other business units would like to use our system, not only for procurement, but also for leasing contracts and merchant contracts. But we're saying, yeah, you will have your time. Procurement first. So phase 3 is focused on expanding adoption across the entire enterprise. We integrated the platform into our existing ecosystem through our API gateway. This allowed us to modernize while preserving our existing technology investments. From day one, success was measured by business outcomes, not implementation milestones alone. We defined value targets and KPIs upfront. We tracked benefits throughout the implementation, deployment, and operations. This disciplined approach ensured accountability and measurable value realization. It took us 9 months to go live, like having a baby, and this is our baby now. One of the fastest implementation in the bank, on time and within budget. Zycus leadership was felt in every stage. Nimesh would come once in a while to check on us and would always help us whenever we have challenges. Carl would always be there, always having something nice to say and always available. And the whole Zycus team are so helpful, responsive, and flexible. I cannot remember all their names, but 3 names stood out. One is Musamil, because the name sounds like a antibiotic drug. Metamucil. Another is Darshit. So whenever we get stressed, call Darshit. So we always remember Darshit. Then there's Parth. You know how that sounds like. This big guy with big curly hair, well, a darling of the team, that's Parth. And now we have Molly, holy moly, she gets everything done. And of course we have JJ and Bubu. I'm sure you don't know who Bubu is. Bubu? He is Bubu, I am Bubut. Okay, thank you very much for the Zycus team. The transformation has delivered meaningful operational improvements across the bank. Not yet perfect, but we're getting there. There's seamless integration between our core banking system and the Zycus platform because payments are credited to the supplier accounts, so they have to open an account before they get paid. Procurement operations are now highly centralized and effectively managed. We were able to Amazonify their requisitions, and oh, how they love that. There was significantly improved compliance of invoice-to-PO to 100% and increased visibility of spend under management. Most importantly, the business has responded positively as reflected in the strong satisfaction and promoter score. Having established the digital foundation, we are now looking towards the next phase of innovation. Today, Merlin Intake brings procurement directly into Microsoft Teams, which we are using. The next step is autonomous negotiation, allowing AI to support routine sourcing activities while maintaining governance and auditability. Beyond that, we see opportunities in agentic sourcing and AI-driven supplier risk monitoring. Our vision is clear. AI can accelerate execution, but governance and decision-making remain firmly under the bank's control. I just hope we can afford the AI agentic. 2 takeaways. First, trust is a strategy. We selected a partner with a proven track record and built an existing foundation of trust within the SM Group. Secondly, transformation is a journey. By establishing a strong source-to-pay foundation today, we are positioning BDO for agentic AI tomorrow. Built on trust, running on one platform, ready for agentic AI. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to share our journey. We are BDO, we find ways.